Hi, this is Dr. JMR, JMR Chemistry. Now I would like to explain some important questions. These questions are very important for various competitive type of examination. So I uploaded nearly 300 videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That is JMR Chemistry. Now first we'll start with first question. Write the electronic configuration of nitride, phosphide, then copper and chromium. Then here first nitride electronic means ion is N minus 3. Indirectly what nitrogen atomic number is 7. Then here minus 3 means you have to add 3 electrons. Total 10 electrons it contains. So 10 means indirectly you have to write the electronic configuration of neon. So 1s2, 2s2, then 2p6. Yes, here 6 electrons, then 2 electrons, then 2 electrons. Total 10 electrons are filled. So this is the electronic configuration of nitride ion. Nitride means N minus 3. Then phosphide also same like that. P minus 3. So generally phosphorus atomic number is 15. Then you have to add 3, total 18 electrons. 18 electrons, you have to write the electronic configuration for 18. So what about this 15? 15 is nothing but atomic weight, atomic number of phosphorus. Here atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So here you have to write the electronic configuration for neon, and next one is argon. You have to write noble electronic configuration, that is 18, 1s2, 2s2, then 2p6, 3s2, then 3p6. Yes, it contains total 18 electrons because 2 plus 2 plus 2. So you have to see this one here, 2 electrons, then 2 electrons, then 6 electrons, then 2 electrons, then 6 electrons. Total 18 electrons because P minus 3 phosphide means that is P minus 3. Then copper electronic configuration is copper atomic number is how much? That is 29. Then you have to write the electronic configuration for chromo 1s2, 2s2, then 2p6, 3s2, then 3p6, then 4s1, 3d10. So you have to write, this is the electronic configuration, very very important. You have to write like this only because here according to uh, Hund's law of maximum multiplicity, according to that half filled or completely filled orbitals are more stable. So that is why you have to write like this only. I already what you call explained this rule in one video. Please go to that Hund's law of maximum multiplicity in that. Generally, then chromium, that is 24, you have to write the electronic configuration 1s2. These two are the exceptional. Which one? Copper and chromium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3s1, and 3d5. Yes, it contains total 6 electrons. 6 electrons means, yes. 3s1, 3d5. You have to write like this only, but not 3s2, 3d 4, because these two are the exceptional cases in writing electronic configuration according to Hund's law of maximum multiplicity. Okay. Next, I will go for next one, that is define the following. Orbit means, what is orbit? Orbit means electrons revolve around the nucleus in a closed circular path. Generally, this path is known as what? Orbit. So it contains what? Electrons. So electrons revolve around the nucleus in a closed and fixed circular path called orbit or shell. Then you know what is orbital means, where the probability of finding electron is maximum. At that particular region, naturally it contains more number of what? Electrons. So they where the probability of finding electron is maximum, we can call it as orbital. Then what are nucleons? So here nucleus contains neutrons as well as protons. So here neutrons and protons are known as nucleons. Then what about ion? Means electrically charged, whether it's a positive or negative. Suppose you take Mg plus 2. So like this, by donating 2 electrons, it is converted into positive charge. Suppose O minus 2, by accepting 2 electrons, it is converted into minus 2. So charged particle, whether it is a positive or negative, we can call it as charged particle. Then here, what is the molecular? Calculate the molecular weight of the following. So here, first one is potassium chlorate. Potassium chlorate formula, first you have to write the molecular mass of. First of all you have to write the molecular. Yeah. Potassium means K plus, then ClO3 minus 1, then use crisscross method, then finally you will get a potassium chlorate formula, that is KClO3, then 1 into what, K plus 1 into Cl plus 3 into O, then how, that is equals to 1 into 39 plus 1 into 35.5, then plus 3 into oxygen means 16. Then you have to calculate, then it will come AMU, NAMU. So aluminum, sulfate, ammonium sulfate, then you have to write here, yes, ammonium NH4 plus, then sulfate is SO4 minus 2, then use crisscross method. Formula is NH4 taken twice SO4, then that is equals to 1 into N plus 8 into H plus 1 into S plus 4 into O, that is equals to 1 into nitrogen 14 plus 8 into 1 plus 1 into 32 plus 4 into what, 16. So that is AMU, atomic mass unit. Then we'll go for next one, that is calcium. Calcium nitrate. Calcium is Ca plus 2. Then nitrate is NO3 minus 1. Crisscross CaNO3 taken twice. That is equals to 1 into Ca plus 2 into water nitrogen plus 6 into O. Then finally 1 into 40 plus 2 into 14 plus 6 into 16 is equals to dash AM, like this. And finally last, what is that? Yes, magnesium carbonate is there. We'll write here magnesium Mg plus 2. Then carbonate is CO3 minus 2. Both are cancelled because same charge. Then MgCO3. Then 1 into magnesium is how much? That is 24 plus 1 carbon. Carbon means that is 12 plus 3 into 16. So finally you have to calculate dash AM. So like this you have to calculate the molecular weights of substance. So like that, potassium chlorate formula is KClO3. Then ammonium sulfate is NH4 taken twice SO4. Then calcium nitrate is CaNO3 taken twice. Then magnesium carbonate is MgCO3. Next, match the following. So here, valency. Valency means the electrons which are present in the outermost shell. Then we can call it as valency. Then neutral atom. What is neutral atom? Generally, here what happened? Neutral atom means like this. Neutral atom is nothing but neutrons. We can call it as neutral atom. So next, mono. Hydrogen is a monovalent. Generally, we can call it as like this. Monovalent, whereby H contains only one electron. So protons. What do you mean by protons? Protons is nothing but here it contains Positively charged particle, we can call it as protons. And finally, only one we are having, that iron. Iron is nothing but Fe. Then we can call it as iron, that is Fe. So like this. Next, here it contains how many oxygen atoms. He's asking how many oxygen atoms are present in this compound. So anyway, here first one is that is uh, yes, calcium nitrate. Then formula is CaNO3 taken twice. Here it contains 3 twos, 6 oxygen atoms are present. So next one, zinc sulfate, ZnSO4. Then it contains 4 oxygen atoms. Then potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7. Then it contains 7 oxygen atoms. And finally, ferric oxide, Fe2O3. Then ferric oxide means it contains 3 oxygen atoms. So like this here, first compound contains 6 oxygen atoms, then 4 oxygen atoms, then 7 oxygen atoms, and finally water 3 oxygen atoms. Next, that is the small particle found in the atom. It is nothing but here it contains protons as well as neutrons in the center of the atom. Okay, the nucleus has what you call dash and dash. Nucleus contains naturally water, protons as well as neutrons. Then dash revolve around the nucleus means that is what is that? Electrons revolve around the nucleus. So here there are two electrons in the M shell means K, L, M. It contains only two means it is completely filled. 2, 8. Then X is, we can call it as magnesium because M contains only two electrons. Two electrons means already here what happened? Two electrons, 8 electrons, and it here two. 2 plus 8 plus 2, it is nothing but 12 electrons are present. So like that. Thank you. So nearly I uploaded 300 videos on various topics. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Dr. JMR, JMR Chemistry. Thank you.